Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about HubSpot and what it does. So what is HubSpot? HubSpot is a software that's pretty powerful, not overpowering, and it seamlessly connects your data with teams and customers and does one-on-one with customers, okay? So basically, it's a bit of everything, okay? It's your marketing hub, your sales hub, you have your CRM, your sales, everything in one place, and it's pretty incredible, okay? Everything goes on in this, and trust me, it works like a charm. So first of all, it has a lot of integrations that you can get. Okay, it has a lot of security pluses as well. Then moving on, obviously you get a lot of software privileges as well. So there's Marketing Hub where you can do a lot of marketing, Sales Hub where you can do sales CRM software. You have Service Hub where you can get customer service software. Then there's content management software, operations hub, commerce hub, and a whole lot more. And then you can get an actual AI that will solve your problems throughout the platform and an app marketplace. So the pricing for this is pretty hefty. Okay, you are going to want to go through with these. Okay, make sure to get the proper pricing level for yourself. But yeah, once you get through this, the professional is for 800, the enterprise is for 3600 per month. Okay, and obviously moving on, there's stuff like sales, service, CMS, whatever you want. It works by your poison. Okay, so basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. They're going to give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It is very interesting guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by DALI 3, which as you may have guessed is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean, that is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see, there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here, guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes, so it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it. Okay, this is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image, guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two stages of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost, that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? This is kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Media Studio and how you can utilize different projects by simply using the AI image generator from Canva. All you gotta do is to come over here on the apps inside the Canva app, and then you want to scroll down and look for different apps that are currently trending. You can find something that you like, you can find something new, you can find something that is recommended from the app itself, but we are going to look for Magic Media. We're going to use Magic Media because this is the proprietary and it's very fast. It works easily. You will be able to understand exactly how you can generate images, logos, and other projects. So when you come over here, you want to use a brand new design if you don't have an existing one that you want to change. When you click create a new design, we're going to use the AI image generator to create some new social media post. So previously we did some logos, we did some small adjustments, but as you can see over here, you can create a t-shirt design, right? You can sell something. We have a desktop wallpaper. So for example, if we want to create a desktop wallpaper, this simply will change the ratio of our image. So the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have this window where you're going to input your prompt, and then if you scroll down, you can essentially change the layout or the filter or the style of which will apply to your image. Also, if you want to change the aspect ratio to a landscape in our example, simply because it will be a wallpaper, right, you can do it. So create a Hawaii vibe place with infrastructure like New York City. Make the beach in the middle of the city around Times Square. Okay, let's see let's see how this crazy image will look like, guys. But essentially this is how it works. So you're going to get like a 4 different versions of this image generated from the AI, and you can pick which one you like. If you don't like any of it, or you want to change something, right, you can simply scroll down and you will have an option. Like for example, I can come over here and we can continue our prompt. We can include more stuff as we like to, right? We can add more details and we can click generate again. This will give us another example. If I click on one of the images and simply make it larger, this is one of the benefits of AI. You probably wonder what is it. The benefit is that even if you make an image large, this will not ruin the quality, because this is not a JPEG, right? This is why this is so good, and this is why we really like it. So essentially this is how nice, and if I zoom in, you could see that this looks awesome, right? Can you imagine this really to be true? We have this crazy beach. It reminds me of Chicago, to be honest with you guys. But this is how you can create a wallpaper using Magic Media on Canva AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're going to focus is we're going to actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example, we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example, we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design, and as you can see over here, you have a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example, we're going to create a logo. And the way how this actually works is that when you come over here, you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we're going to create New York City in the space with flying cars and what else, and like connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one, and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks very cool. The second one, oh look at, yeah, I think this is very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now, if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy. You can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through Dali, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos, guys, so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here, guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very interesting. I have a huge hopes about this. I read good things about it. So let's jump in. The first thing that you wanna choose is, are you gonna create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project and we're going to create, I would say something nice photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. Dali will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you four variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right, guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay, guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google, guys. I think this is my second favorite. The first one still remains to be Magic Studio from Canva AI. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Invideo AI tutorial. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can use Invideo IO and use Invideo's AI with it. Okay, so you can create videos with text prompts, enter any topic, and Invideo AI gets to work. It generates a script, creates scenes, and adds voiceovers and tweaks everything. So Invideo is pretty much incredible for TikTok and YouTube. The reason for that is because it creates a new story, it creates the video itself. Okay, it gives you the best texting, It gives you the best text to speech, gives you the best images and everything to go along with it. So you can generate a video and it all works out pretty nicely. Now, moving on, you can also use different elements and you can edit different types of text, add in different types of transitions, and it all is pretty easy. Okay, just the pricing is what you're going to need to get looked at. So you can sign up pretty simply. First of all, there's the totally free platform, okay, which is pretty incredible. Okay, you can use this platform totally for free. Then there's Plus, which is for creators that are starting their journey. Now, if you're just one user, then it's $20 per month, but the more users you get, the more it gets multiplied. And then there's Max, which is for growing and established creators, where you can get more and more users for yourself, but the stock is $48, okay? So you're going to want to have these things running and working, and that's Invideo AI basically. So that's how you can use this for yourself. And you can use the AI to create videos of YouTube, AI talking avatar, AI talking script generator, AI text to video, AI video editor, AI video gen, and AI voice generator. Pictory AI tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Pictory AI and how you can use this AI for yourself in the easiest way. So basically, you can use Pictory for AI content creation. So the account creation process is pretty simple. You're going to click on get started for free. Okay, there's no credit card required when you go through the sign up process. So you're just going to click on those things and here you're going to come to sign up. Now, once you come over here, it's going to take you through the only processes. Now, when it comes to creating things with Pictory, basically it first gives you different templates to work with, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead, okay? I'm going to add an email. There we go. You're going to create a password for yourself. Make sure that it's a strong and well-built password. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this. Now, once you continue this, basically what happens from here is that you are going to be taken to this section where it's going to give you all the editorial sequences. And you can do a lot of things in Pictory. You can go from script to video in about minutes, turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates, transform long videos into engaged branded clips for social media like TikTok and stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to verify the payment method with your credit card. And once you get all those things, you can achieve all of these settings and all of these features in the shortest amount of time. How to use Google Bard AI 2024 full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Google Bard AI, and I'm going to be showing you on how you can integrate Google Bard AI with other Google services and how you can make full use of these things, okay? Google Bard AI is a new innovation in the AI world. It's a great chat-based AI tool, okay? And it even gives competition to greatest chatbot AIs like Bing AI or even ChatGPT because it uses a GPT-4 model. Obviously, it's in beta right now. It's being worked on. It's not completed. It has some issues, but it works incredibly, and I'm going to showcase it all for you. So, to start things off, here we have Bard. We're going to go straight to it. Now, once you load Bard up, it's going to bring you here. So, here it says, hello again. Tell me what's on your mind or pick a suggestion. Now, again, like ChatGPT, it gives you suggestions like understand all these things, create these things, explore these things. And let's say, and understand, you can actually access Google Map as you can see over here. Or you can create any of these things, or you can explore any of these things. Let's say I want to go ahead and write a prompt. Let's start pretty basic. Let's start pretty easy. Okay. So let's start off by writing, I want you to write me an essay on, let's say, Napoleon. Make the essay 500 words long. You do that, enter, and now we're just going to wait for it to load up. Okay, so once it loads up, it keeps going on and on. So here you go. Napoleon Bonaparte, Legacy of Triumph and Tragedy, and it keeps going on and on. And you can even like test the word limit, by the way. So basically, let's copy this and see if the word limit is actually, on point. So I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna come here, and you're just gonna write, go to some word limit checker, and we're gonna go to word counter, and we're gonna see how much it gives us. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this, paste my own, and as we scroll down, look at that. It's 578 words, pretty close, right? Like it's not too far-fetched. So you get the point, and it's a proper essay. It's a proper essay that you can present in class. Now, if we want to, get a little more advanced, if you want to, start creating a little more, what you can do is you can actually start asking it coding questions, because coding is a pretty, you could say, difficult part of front end and back end programming. So let's go ahead and ask it some coding questions. So let's start off with, I want you to write me a program in C++ about a, let's say, Fibonacci sequence. Let's go ahead and ask it that. And we're going to search that in. And you're going to see that it actually gives you spot on coding. It's going to give you the proper program in C++. It's going to use the header files, namespace, and it uses the correct variables with actual comments explaining to you what line does what. So that's the incredible part about it. And then later on, it actually explains the code to you. So here we can see Fibonacci iterative takes an integer as input representing the number of terms, then, it just keeps on explaining, which is the best part about it. Like if you can add this in ChatGPT and it's never going to explain the code to you, you're going to have to ask it to explain the code. And even then, it's not going to explain the best. This explanation is on point. Like you can literally pause the video if there's any programmers watching this, and you're going to understand this pretty well. So, this is getting a little more in depth of it. Now, time to use it with its integrations. So, let's go ahead and ask it, give me the location of, let's say, Central Park, New York. Okay, I'm just going to search that up and just wait for it. Look at that. It's going to actually turn on Google Maps and it's going to show you the actual map. Look at that. How incredible. And even if you like want to get into more details, like let's say I'm going to go with some random address. Give me let's say 35th Street in, I don't know, let's say Canada. Okay. So you're going to search that up. And obviously, if there is no 35th Street, it's going to tell you that there is no 35th Street. You're going to have to specify. So let's say I'm going to, you know, ask something about my country. I'm going to go with show me where E7 sector is. Okay, we're going to search that in and we're going to click on enter. And you're going to see that it actually goes through the online maps and shows you the proper geological ways. Now, the thing is, if it comes in its safety guidelines, it won't show you, but if it's not in the safety guidelines, it will show you. Now let's use more integrations. We're going to write, I want you to create a Google Sheet table with 3 columns and 6 rows. I'm going to write that in. And once we write that in, you're going to see that it's actually going to create an actual column from Google Sheets. And look at that. How incredible. And you can actually export this to your actual Sheets design. Okay, it's going to open up Sheets. It's going to export everything. How incredible is that? Now let's move on to some other things. Like you can obviously use more integrations, by the way. Like you have other extensions. You can use Google Maps, Google Sheets. You can even search up things on YouTube. You have Google Flights and all. Like one last thing that I'd like to show you is the YouTube aspect. We're going to write, what is the most disliked YouTube video? Well, let's go ahead with that. And we're going to search that up, the analytical things that you want to go through. And once you search that up, there you go. So it's actually going to give you a whole analytic. So it's going to say, YouTube Rewind with the most dislikes. Then you have these all down here that keep going on with even more dislikes. So, you get the basic point. Then moving on, you can also upload images. Okay. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Ultimate Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Create a Design. And once you click on Create a Design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your D-ID section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're going to upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're going to do is you are going to be using the actual video features that Canva brings you, okay? You're going to get a lot of AI tools. So you're going to use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are going to want to use this magic switch, okay? And in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate, and what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Copilot AI from Microsoft. In this particular example, guys, we're going to use very balanced over here on the settings creative mode that will help us to start a business. In the first example that we're going to go over here, guys, we're going to ask what products are good to start an e-commerce business in 2024 based on Google Trends. Let's see. In the previous video, guys, we used Bart AI to start a dropshipping store. We got amazing results. We got Google Trends, all the top search products around Christmas. We got amazing. You definitely want to go out on the channel and find this video as well. Let's see how the Copilot will perform in comparison with. So what we're having over here, let's see. That's a great question. E-commerce, dynamic competitive, blah blah blah. Sustainable products, consumers are becoming more. That's not what I'm looking for. Give me exact products. You see, that's not good. How about stop? We need to stop replying. Okay. Sustainable products, personalized products, smart products. That's not what I'm looking. How about based on search volume? What are the most searched products recently on Bing search. It didn't answer us for Google search. I think we all know why, but they cannot skip the question for Bing search. Let's see. Based on the web search results, same thing. Oh my gosh, this is very bad, guys. Unfortunately, it looks like I cannot recommend you because they simply cannot help us. Can you even give us a practical information aside from generic sustainable products examples? Let's see. Keep giving us this same tech. I'm sorry if you're not satisfied with my previous answer. I was trying to give you some trending categories of products that if you want to check, where do you sending me? So if you want a more practical information, you can check out some of the resources that I found from my tool. For example, so guys, if you pay very close attention, if you watch other videos, we did case studies. Bing is very strong of giving you sources. It's giving you links to the website. It's not strong of building its own conclusions, which I don't know. If we click on this, for example, they give us a practical e-commerce, which provides news, tips, guidance, and examples of online e-commerce. If you click on this one, why would I click on this one? Charts of 2024, outlook of global CEOs, January 24. Oh, it looks like some blog post or something. Also, they gave us how to start a business from scratch, guide from Shopify, another useful resource, guide to comma, crazy egg. So guys, I cannot recommend you using a Copilot for starting a business or any real life advice or real life navigation or tutorial how to do something. Obviously, so far I can tell you that Bart AI is the winner. It beat ChatGPT. ChatGPT has outdated information and very confusing generic propositions and answers. So if you really want to look to find, we created a Shopify business using Bart AI. Go out and find the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to explore Bing Chat and using Bing AI to find out how we can excel on the social media space. We're going to ask a detailed question to gather some information. What are the advantages of starting a brand new social media versus trying to grow the old one? Let's dive in. First thing, you want to come over here and sign up for Bing, and then you want to click on Ask Bing Chat. When you click on it, you will have an option to select what type of questions you want to highlight on, and you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard sign. Now let's try to ask the right question. Give me tips for growing on social media in 2024. Please be detailed and don't include any generic suggestions. We run a couple of different case studies with Bart AI and ChatGPT, guys, so you want to make sure you go ahead and watch these videos as well. So far, Bart AI is the winner, but let's see how we can achieve our results using the Bing AI. Okay, understand your audience. You need to know what and who to target as your audience. This includes their motivation, inspirations. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, once you understand your target audience, you can create audience persons. Okay, choose the right platform, be active on the platform where your audience live. You need to put brand where they can find you easily rather than expecting them to seek you. Consistent posting schedule. Create a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged. Post short videos. Embrace social SEO. Help to increase your visibility on the social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Use data sophisticatedly. Okay, social media collaboration and processes. Leverage when the help of the AI will help you out. Strategic approach. And as you can see over here, the main point of using Bing AI is that Bing is giving you like a links and giving you sometimes the actual source of the information where they gather the info from. The issue with this is that sometimes they just give you a random blog post that they find on the search engine of Bing. So it's not like they're giving you the best source possible, right? They're giving you just whatever they find. Whereas with Bart AI is giving you like the most credible because they're using Google ratings, right? People leave comments, what is legit and what isn't, what is working and what is not. What. So now let's niche down, please. Niche down sectors where competition is low. We want to get a little more detailed information, guys. This is not gonna help us if we just run with this one. Sure, here are some sectors with low competition in 2024. B2B influencers. Influencers, okay. Predict, build a strong following. The generative AI. We are going to use generative AI in the social media space. This could be a great opportunity to stand out from the crowd. Social commerce. Wow, social commerce is not a new concept. There are still many untapped opportunities within the sector. For example, integration of retail media and the creator economy is still a relatively new trend. Threats are quietly growing as a positive space. This could be a great opportunity. I've been hearing that threats is going down. My dear friends, I don't know, let me know in the comments. Longer form videos on TikTok, welcoming longer form videos. This could be a great opportunity to create more in-depth content and engage with your audience. I don't know, guys, we do get some, interesting point of views, but I don't know, guys, I just feel that the Bing AI is not as good as Bart AI. That's my personal opinion. We just don't get so much new information over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Opus AI, how you can get shorts in a matter of seconds with only one click. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's find a video that we want to break into pieces. Let's say, for example, we want to break into pieces this video about KFC, okay? We want to click on the three dots underneath the video and then we want to click share. Then you want to click copy link. Now after we have the link, you want to go on Google Chrome and you want to find opus.pro. This is the website we're going to be using. First thing you want to do is essentially you want to come over here and paste the link. After you paste the link, you have to click get free clips. What this will actually do. When you paste the link of the video for KFC that we posted, the actual platform and the AI converter will create a 10 viral short form clips, which will be coming with their own description, with their own title, and they will be ranked from 1 to 10 from the most likelihood of the video getting viral to the least likelihood of video getting viral. And they will be grabbing a particular pieces of the video. Some of the videos might have a duplicate phrases or duplicate parts of the previous or the next video, because like I mentioned, this app simply chops off different scenes of the video. So some of the scenes might be overlapping, but this is essentially how it works. When you sign up, you will get the free credits, right? You will be able to create a number of videos, which after you exhaust your credits, you will be able to buy more credits. You can sign up for free. I have a bunch of videos created on my own TikTok, and it is very nice. The only issue I see with this is that the videos are usually not coming over a minute long. And if you use this app for publishing on TikTok, we all know, if you're part of the creativity program, better videos have to have a longer duration of 1 minute. So then you might simply have to do additional editing so you can make it a little longer. Unfortunately, we don't have the option over here to make it a little longer. But essentially, this is how easy it is to just copy the link from the video that you want to chop off, and then you paste the link over here, you sign up for free, and then you simply click get free clips. And the best thing is that you can simply leave the app, because usually it takes a while. It depends on how many people are currently using the app. They will send you an email with notification that your videos are ready, and you're gonna get a link and you will be forwarded to your own page with all the 10 videos ready for download. Okay, for more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more